Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how to install Vibium on your system and run your first test script. Then there is the first question, what is Vibium? Vibium is a AI generated automation framework which is created by Jason Huggins. So we'll use Vibium for our software automation testing. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to install Vibium and run your first test script. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen and today's topics I set it up this way. So Vibium install instruction. First we will check our node version. The command is node space -hyphen version, because in order to install version it is prerequisite you should have node install on your system. If you don't have node install, then go to the nodejs.org, then install your node.js. If you have any problem, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can take a look and install that one. Thereafter we will create a parent folder name like Vibium test. You can name this folder as you like or based on your project file. Then you need to create a package.json file. That command is npm init space -y. Thereafter you need to install on the same location npm install Vibium. Thereafter you need to create a JavaScript file hello.js. Then open Visual Studio Code. Thereafter copy code and run. So you can use any other editor too, like not the Visual Studio Code, any code editor you can use. So first thing first, we need to go to the vibium.com, vibium.com. Here, end of the page, you see the GitHub link, click there. Once you are in GitHub, then you need to click docs folder. Then you need to click the tutorial folders. Once you click there, you will get the getting started.md file. Here is the all instruction for your installing your Vibium. You see the install node.js. If you don't have, you need to install node, go to nodejs.org, then install that one. I'll do the Windows part. That's why I'm following the Windows version. Once it is checked, thereafter create a project folder as it is, whatever I mentioned in the previous slide. Thereafter install Vibium, then it is a sample code, you can run it. So first thing first, we need to create a folder. So any location you can create a folder. I will create my C drive. This is C drive. Here is my software testing folder. Under this folder, I'll create a folder like new folder. I'll create Vibium test. Once folder is created, open that folder. You can select the address bar and type cmd. You can open command prompt. Once command prompt is open, you need to create a package.json file. Command is first thing you need to check node install or not. That command is node hyphen version. Then hit enter. My node is installed. If you don't have node installed, then you need to install it. Thereafter, we need to create package.json file. Command is npm init -y. Then hit enter. It will take little time. It will create a package.json file. Just wait little bit. You will see over here too, and also you will see in the project location that is created. You see it is created. Now if you go to the location, you see it was empty. Now its package.json file is created. Then you need to install Vibium. So the command is npm install Vibium. Then hit enter. It is installing. You see it is installation done. Now you can check your folder. You see all the related file and folder is created. Let me clear the screen. We'll use this one later on and minimize that one. Here we need to create a file which is called new text document. We'll create a file hello.js, means JavaScript file. Then delete the extension txt and click outside. It will give you the change option. Then click yes. it is JavaScript file is created. Now you need to open your Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio Code is open, you need to open that folder over here. You can click over here open folder, or you can go to the file then open folder. Either way it will work. So let me click over here open folder. Then we need to go our C drive where our folder is located. C software testing. This is our Vibium test. Select folder. You see it is open hello.js file. So open the hello.js file, JavaScript file, double click. We need to write our code over here. First go to the Vibium website, copy the sample code from here. Just copy and go to Visual Studio Code, paste it over here. Now we need to modify a little bit, like example.com, we'll place over here google.com. Google.com and console.log. Here also you need to delete example google.com. It will print in the console. Thereafter, once application is open, it will take the screenshot. Thereafter, it will find the link. Thereafter, it will click over here. It will print the console message. Then it will close the browser. Now save it. Different way you can run. You can run through the command prompt. You can run through the Visual Studio Code. In order to run from Visual Studio Code, you need to click Terminal, then New Terminal. Once terminal is open, here you will see by default Visual Studio terminal open with the PowerShell PS. If you know the PowerShell code, it is okay. Otherwise, you need to switch that in command prompt. Click over here command prompt. It is open. Now, in order to run this code, you need to type node hello.js. Then hit enter from keyboard. You see, now it will run. Open the browser and perform the action. You see, it is done. Browser open, and once action is done, Google homepage open. It will take the screenshot and it will close the browser. Everything is console message printed over here. Now manually we can check in the location screenshot.png. It is open. So once it is done, let me rename the screenshot 1, because I will run another way. That's why I'm putting the screenshot name. So now save it, file, save. Also, you can run this code from your command line. Here we are in the same location. Type node hello.js. Then hit enter from keyboard. You see it is running. Run, browser open, and it will navigate to google.com and take the screenshot. It closes. You see the screenshot 1.png, it is saved, and all console message is printed. So let's navigate to the folder. Let's see, you see screenshot.1.png, that is saved over here. That means our code is work perfectly. I'll not go that much through the code because it is the first tutorial for only installation purpose. So today's tutorial up to this only, our installation is successful. That's why code runs successfully. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing as well as Vibium, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.